Several pictures of Taehyung and Lisa from inside the private jet in which they traveled to Paris are going viral on social media and have left fans excited. Taehyung, Lisa, and Park Bogum are currently in Paris. The three K-pop stars will be attending Celine Fashion Week. Social media is flooded with fans talking about the same and sharing their pictures. Taehyung and Lisa on the same plane, I can die happy now, one of the fans wrote. Another tweet read, they are literally in the same private airplanes, so stop this childish fan war and just support your fave.